Hello everyone, I am Mayuri Mandhani, an handwriting expert. Today we are going to see some basic skills of cursive handwriting. I hope that you will like my session and please do share and subscribe my channel. Let's start with some basic techniques of cursive handwriting. I hope my board is clear to you. Okay, so see, first of all we will start with these 4-line notebook. Okay, so we will start with the 4-line notebook. After that I will make you learn on single line notebook also, but these are the basic techniques, that's why I am telling you. So the first technique is how you hold your pen. Okay, your first basic technique is grip. Okay, so this is your index finger and this is your middle finger. Make sure your pencil and your pen, whatever is in your hand, it should be in between index finger and middle finger, and you have to manage the pressure with the upper part of your thumb. Okay, so you have to write like this. Okay, I have seen many students that their grip is not okay, that's why their handwriting is not good. Okay, and their posture is also not okay, they are writing like this. So first thing is grip. Okay, so make sure your grip is okay. See how I have hold my pen, okay, my marker in my hand. So in the same way you have to hold your pencil. So my first technique is grip, and the children and everyone, make sure your posture should be correct. While you are writing, your back should be straight and on any flat surface you have to write. Okay, so my first technique, you have to assume these lines like railway tracks. Okay, these lines are like railway tracks. Line number 1, line number 2, line number 3 and line number 4. These are already mentioned. Okay, this is your red line. It will be line number 1. This is your blue line number 1. It will be line number 2. This is your blue line number 2. This will be your line number 3 and this will be your line number 4. Okay, in many copies it is like that. So always, this is a basic technique of cursive handwriting. The letter will starts with a tail and ends with a tail. Okay, I have written letter A. Okay, this is the front tail of letter A and this is the back tail of letter A. So make sure always the tail should be upward. Okay, this is also a very important rule of cursive handwriting. Okay, and one more thing, whenever we will come down, okay, whenever we will come down, we have to put pressure. Okay, whenever we will go up, the pressure will be light. Okay, when we will from up to down, the pressure will be heavy, but from down to up, the pressure will be light. Because in many letters like letter P, okay, like letter P, we have to overwrite. Okay, if there is pressure will be very heavy, so your formation will not be correct. Okay, so make sure, okay, thin up, thick down. This strategy we have to maintain. Okay, so now I am going to tell you my first stroke. We will start from line number 3, okay, with a tail, go till line number 2, come down with a wave, again go till line number 2, again come down till line number 3. Okay, in the same way we have to make waves. Okay, we have to make wave. Okay, why it is called? The basic stroke name is short wave stroke. Okay, the stroke name is short wave stroke. Why is it called short wave stroke? Because we are making continuous. See, I am writing down in my own handwriting, and I am assuring you, when you will join my session, after completing my session, your handwriting will be just like my handwriting. The name of the stroke is short wave stroke. Okay, why is it called short wave stroke? Because continuously we are making wave like structure. That's why it is called short wave stroke. Okay, got it? I have written on the board, it's a short wave stroke. This is my first stroke. I am having a good collection of strokes. Okay, we will start from line number 3, go till line number 2, come down with a wave, go till line number 2. Make sure the width of each and every wave should be equal. Okay, and the ending tail should be always upward. Got it? Okay, in my sessions with the each and every stroke, I will tell you which letters we can make with that particular stroke. Okay, this is my very first stroke, short wave stroke. Now I am going to tell you which letters we can make with this short wave stroke. My first letter is, as the shape suggests, it's a letter U. Okay, always we have to remember the line numbers. Okay, so we will start from line number 3, go till line number 2, come down with a wave, again go till line number 2 and come down with a upward tail. Make sure the ending tail should be always upward. This is my first letter which we can make with this short wave stroke. Okay. Now I am going to tell you my next letter with a short wave stroke. It's C. We will start same line number 3, go till line number 2, come down with a upward tail, and then we will make a small circle. Okay, I have seen many students, they are just putting a dot on top of letter I. Okay, sometimes your teacher is not able to see what you have written, and so that's why in except this we will make a very small circle. Okay, very small circle. It looks nice and it will give a very creative look to your handwriting. Okay, so this is my second letter with short wave stroke. Now I am moving on. My third letter, it's a letter W. See, start from line number 3, same, go till line number 2, come down with a wave. Now this time we will make waves little bit thin, and then the ending tail should touch line number 2. It's a letter W. Okay, letter W. This is my third letter which we can make with this short wave stroke. Okay, now we are moving on. The next letter. Now we will start from line number 3 with a tail. Now this time till line number 2 we will go slant, little bit slant, little bit we will come back on the same line, then we will make a curve and then a tail. Okay, same like this. Okay, so now we are moving on the next letter. It's a letter R. Same, we will start from line number 3, go till line number 2, make a curve and then a C-like shape. Make sure the ending tail should always be upward. Okay, because it requires to join the further letters. Okay, letter R. Got it? Understood? It's very easy. I am having a good collection of all the strokes. Okay, so we have learnt so many letters with short wave stroke. Okay, I hope you have liked my session. This was just an introductory class. We will learn lot of cursive handwriting techniques in the upcoming videos. For interactive online handwriting sessions, do message me in the comment section, and please do like, share my video.